everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a really fun macrame snowflake ornament. Let's get started. To begin, we will fold all 12 of our ropes in half and attach them to our rings using a lark's head knot. And here's what it should look like when it's all covered in lark's head knots. Our next step is to use sections of 2, so 4 ropes total, and make 2 square knots in a row with each section. So we'll have 6 double square knots total all the way around. So I'm going to begin with my 4 ropes right here, and I'm going to take the string here that's on the right to cross over the 2 in the middle to form this loop. Then the string on the left goes over behind the 2 and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. Then I take the side on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle. The side on the right goes over that, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I pull that tight. And then I'm going to repeat that again using the same 4 ropes. Just like that. And now I'm going to move on to my next section of 4 and repeat the same steps. This is what it should look like now with all 6 sections of square knots complete. Now what we are going to do is work on alternating square knots. So we'll do 1 alternating square knot with the 4 ropes here, so 2 from each previous square knot. And we're going to do about 3 to 4 square knots in a row with loops. So I'll start by just making a normal square knot. Riley, stop! Now when you make your first square knot, leave a little bit of space here in the middle between these 2 sections of square knots, so we have kind of little loops right off the bat. And now I will make another square knot below, making sure to leave another gap so that I can have loops. Once I have the square knot tied a little ways down below, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna push it up so it's directly below the last square knot, and now I have 2 little loops on the side. Now I'm gonna repeat, but this time I'm gonna leave a little less space so my loops are slightly smaller. And I'm just gonna tie 1 more square knot with an even smaller loop. And now I'm going to move on to my next section of 4. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps I did over here. And I'm just going to keep continuing this pattern all the way around for a total of 6 little sections. And this is what it will look like when it's all finished up. So it's a really pretty snowflake. And our next step now is to just go and we're going to finish off our ends. So to finish up my ends, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors and trim all the ends to match the shortest rope I have. And everything is really even except right here. I probably didn't fold the rope in half evenly, so this one is extra short compared to everything else. So I'm just gonna match everything to this little guy. And finally, I'm just going to unravel these ends so that I have the fun little texture and it makes it a little more full. So if you are using single stranded rope, you could also brush it out to make really pretty fringe. But since I'm using 3-ply, it's pretty much just going to be a little wavy when I unravel. You can also leave it as is for an alternative. And there you go, guys. This is it. This is what the snowflake looks like, all finished up with all the ends even and everything. You can attach a rope or a hook to this to hang this right on your Christmas tree, or you can leave this as a tabletop decoration, or you could even just hang it on your wall, whatever you like. It is very pretty and perfect for the holiday seasons. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.